Welcome. If you've ever muted a conversation on WhatsApp but later realized you were missing important updates, don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to unmute a chat on the WhatsApp app for PC with the latest update. It doesn't take long, and once you know where to look, you'll be able to adjust your chat notifications whenever you like. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to access your recent conversations. On the left-hand side, you'll see your chat list, which includes all of your recent contacts and groups. Next, scroll through the list until you find the conversation that you want to unmute. It could be with a friend, a family member, or even an important group chat. Once you've found the chat, using your mouse, right-click directly on that conversation. This will open a small menu of options. Within that menu, look for the option labeled Muted. This section holds the settings for chats that you previously silenced. Hover over it to expand, and you'll see the option that says Unmute. Simply click on Unmute, and just like that, the conversation is restored to its normal notification behavior. From now on, you'll receive alerts whenever a new message comes through in that chat. Unmuting is especially helpful if you had previously silenced a busy group chat, but now need to keep track of messages, or if an important contact's conversation was muted by mistake. The process is quick, easy, and ensures you're always in control of your notifications on WhatsApp for PC. And that's it. With only a few clicks, you've successfully unmuted a chat. Now you'll never miss out on important updates or conversations again. Remember, you can repeat the same process anytime you want to mute or unmute other chats. It's all about choosing what works best for you, so that your messages are always manageable and your conversations stay organized. Thanks for watching.